The biggest issue is what's going on in Europe. Remember, they're switching over to a new, tougher emission standard, not just for Daimler, but for all automakers. And as a result, a number of the European automakers are wrestling with getting their production up and their sales up to meet those tougher targets. As a result, Daimler is cutting its 2018 forecast. This is the second time, earnings expectation, I should say. This is the second time that Daimler has warned in the last 4 months. They've also got pressure building in China, where sales there, not just for Daimler, but for a number of automakers, that's really putting pressure on them. So as you take a look at shares of Daimler, another ugly chart. And again, this is somewhat specific to Daimler, but for the group overall, not surprising.
And Elon Musk, a new cheaper Model 3, and he made the announcement on one of his favorite medium, Twitter.
Right. This is a mid-range model of the Model 3. So what you're looking at is a price target starting at $45,000. Now, I know there will be some people who see this and say, wait a second, they said $30,000. That's if you factor in the federal tax credit, which is going to start to be phased out after the fourth quarter of this year. And then you have state tax credits, the biggest one being in California. If you don't live there, you're not going to get that as much. And then also if you factor in projected gas savings. Guys, the bottom line is this. When people are buying vehicles, almost everybody goes based on monthly payment. They do not sit there and say, well, it'll be $30,000 instead of $45,000. They go based on monthly payment. That is what drives sales. So we'll see if this sparks greater interest in the Model 3.